Hey guys, this is Nora Innovate, and today I'm going to be trying my second Universal Yums box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this first one is from Korea. It says specifically North Korea. And on the back there's a Get Your Tummy Ready, the Yum scoreboard. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Oh, first we have to get out my book. Okay. Oh, look, I got stickers. So I got a stamp, Too Picky, a plain trivia winner, a flower, and a Japan. Okay. Oh no. My first thing is spicy. I'm gonna go grab some water for this. Be right back. I got my water. So now let's open this to try it. They look like noodles. It's spicy. I don't like it that much, but it is a very cool looking treat because it looks like a red noodle. So let me go into my book so we can find it. Right here. It's hot and sweet wheat and rice snack. Tteokbokki is a traditional Korean dish of rice cake simmered in spicy red sauce. So I think they just turned that into chips for this. Pause to read if you'd like. Okay. Let's try our next item. Let's try this choco pie. Milk, black sugar, and milk tea. Let's open it. Guys, it's a chocolate, soft cookie, marshmallow, and then this cream inside. It's very good. It tastes very, very, very good. I love it. So let's find it in my book. Oh, it's on the first page. Chocolate-coated tea biscuits with marshmallow cream filling. Okay, let's go on to the next item. Ooh, this one looks cool. Okay, so this looks like bubble gum. Blueberry soda, that's all I can read. Let's open this. It had a little pull tab. Okay, so I think it's just blueberry soda flavored gum. Yeah. It tastes like blue raspberry Fanta. Let's find it in the book. I don't. Yeah. Oh, it's right here. It's blueberry flavored sweet and sour chewy candy. Soda arrived in South Korea during the 1930s. Okay. Let's put that down so I can move on to the next item. Let's try these peach candies right here. Oh, look, they're right in my book right there. Peach flavored gummies. This is what they look like. It looks like they have a jelly center. Let's try it. It tastes good. Tastes like a traditional peach candy, but the filling makes it way better. So this one's super good. If you look at the top, the filling is supposed to mimic the inside. It's supposed to look like if you bite into it, a peach inside, I think. So let's try the next one. Pretzel honey butter crisp baked snack. Ooh. So it sounds like pretzels and honey butter. And this. Smells good. It's good, but nothing like I've tried before. That's what it's on the book. Okay, the last thing is Choco Him chocolate hazelnut. It looks like it's a wafer filled with Nutella, because Nutella is hazelnut chocolate. That's what it is on there. Let's get out one. It looks like it's split into two parts. This is the wafer. This is what the actual thing is. As you can see from where the wafer broke off, there's chocolate inside. Wafer tastes like wafer. Okay, let's try it. Tastes very good. It's a wafer with Nutella inside, and you can break it into two parts if you want. And let me read a little bit about it. The first wafer cookies were made in Europe as early as the 9th century. These hazelnut chocolate hem were created by Austrian merchant Joseph Manner. And since that was our last item, I'm going to show you some other things in my book real quick. It gives you ingredients on how to make the little cookies that you have to cut out in whatever Squid Game. And it only takes 20 minutes. That's cool. Okay. And then shows you how to make oi machum. And there's trivia questions. Shows you how Japan influenced South Korea. And then at the beginning, it shows you some facts, trivia train, and then the snacks. This was a very good haul today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!